G'day all, this is Didgeridoo, and this video is about my recent trip to the Zig Zag Railway after nearly 12 years since last being there. Situated outside of the city of Lithgow, New South Wales, Australia, the Zig Zag Railway used to be part of the main Western Line between 1869 and 1910. Opened in 1975 as a heritage railway. And well, since you can already tell I'm not very good at speaking in my own videos, I'm just going to leave most of the raw footage as is.
Yeah, the damage from the fire is still very evident, which is a little bit unfortunate, but what can you do?
It's amazing how quick it's been.
It's been 4 years since the fires came through here now.
21, yeah.
It's going to be another tunnel, isn't it?
The Zig Zag Railway was built between 1866 and 1869 as part of the Railway from Sydney to Bathurst. Surveyors Mark and Wood discovered that conventional railway design just wouldn't be practical. The grades necessary to bring the railway from Clarence to the floor of the Lithgow Valley, a vertical difference of 680 feet or 210 metres. Much too steep for
That's high at Mount Panorama.
Lithgow Valley.
So that height elevation's different at Mount Panorama.
See on the right-hand side.
That's actually higher.
As you face the locomotive.
Oh, there's this station all the way down there.
Several hundred metres above, but less than a kilometre from our actual destination, to the side of the mountain. Each bar of the set slopes down towards the Lithgow Valley floor.
There we go.
At the maximum rate, which can be safely negotiated.
Yes, this is it.
The top road
look at it.
is called Top Road. The middle bar of the Z is called Middle Road.
That's
And the bottom bar
Yes,
of the Z
that's the shot. That's the money shot.
Money shot.
Zig Zag Railway travels over the top road and the middle road.
You got the money shot.
Although the bottom road
Just realised I wasn't filming. Dang it! Oh, there's the station. So this is that's the junction, just here. I believe those are the switch points.
Not available in the 1860s.
Watch your head.
Construction
These
commenced
cables.
on 10 tunnel deviation. The new route was opened in 1910 without ceremony. The morning train from Sydney travelled over the Zig Zag. The return trip in the afternoon used the new tunnels passing under the Zig Zag formation near Mount Sinai, where the Chifley Road first parallels our line. The Zig Zag formation lay abandoned, devoid of track and trains from 1910 through to 1974. And it was in 1974 that the first narrow gauge line was laid on the Zig Zag. And from 1976, the Zig Zag came to life again, with the first paying customer service in October of the
Right, they're moving. They're blowing the whistle. They're moving.
I want to know, did they give these trains names like they do on the Thomas books?
Yeah.
scared me. Look at the furnace. That's incredible.
It was incredible, wasn't it?
And nice shot. Here we are.
Dad, you should have been up here. All the smoke came up.
All right, have fun.
There we go. I got the biggest cheeky smile on my face.